Back from the Euro trip, and I'm literally now have to drive to register the 3 Series, the silver one, to register it on my name. I didn't had too much time to sleep. I have the papers and everything in here, and we have to drive the 4 Series still with a check engine light. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. In the trip that I had in Europe, when I was in Romania, I had a check engine light, and I had to drive the car like that in order to come home. But I know what's wrong with the car. I already scanned the car in there. We still have the check engine light, but like I said, I have no time whatsoever. I have to register the E46. 7:41, and I have to be there at 8 and check this out. Oh, I cannot show you now. Everything is stuck, and I can see for at least 1 kilometer. Oh, that's crazy, man. I have 20 minutes, and if I miss my appointment, I have to do another one. Crazy, crazy. Come on, people, we have stuff to do. Maybe you can see how long it stretches, the line. After the second intersection, I have to drive left, and it's going to be free on that side of the city. We have another 6 minutes, and we are here. This red building, I have to park somewhere in there on the right. Let's hope we will find park space from the first try. So we have to go here on the left now, and you can see here you can make your number plates, but we have to register first the car. Oh, perfect. Here I'm going to park right in here. Perfect. Let me grab everything and let's run in here somewhere. Let me see if we have a lot of people, but I don't think, because everything works with appointment. So nobody here. Oops. Number 106, and we have two person in front of us, and we have to wait in. Now let's make the number plates in here. I've already paid 41 euros to register the car, and I have to pay in here like 30 euros to make the, or 32 euros to make the number plates, and we are good to go. And we have the number plates, 46 of course, from E46, but oh boy, I was wrong. Are more expensive than 30 euros, like 45 euros now. Oh my god, everything is expensive now. Okay, let's receive the stample, the seal in here, and let's put it on the car. And we are ready. We received the seal, this one, the gray one. The green one is the inspection. We have inspection till 7th of 24, so we have enough inspection. These are the number plates, and maybe you can see in here I registered the car from November till February, because I'm not really sure what we are going to do with this car, but either way we have a few months to drive the car, we have a few months to check the car, and oh, let me show you. We've needed almost 20 minutes for everything. first drive in 4.5 years or 5 years. The car was abandoned for 4 years, I think, and I have for more than half a year car in my yard, and I just fixed stuff, and now I get to drive it. In order to install the number plates, you have to pay attention to some details. Maybe you can see we have the seal in here and the seal in here from the state, and in here we have the inspection. So this number plate with the inspection will go on the back of the car, and this one in the front, this should be simple, something like that, and close. Oops. Okay. Perfect. It's official. In the back as well we have the inspection. Everything is set and done. Now let's see if the car will start, because the car is sitting for a while in here. Oh, nice steering wheel. Perfect steering wheel. In fact, we have the leather seats. Let's see. It's that period of time when it's cold outside. So we have some lights. That's perfect. Ah, no way, man. No way. I have to bring the jump box, and yeah, not a chance. Okay, give me a few minutes. Still brand new in here. I am quite happy with the result. Everything is completely dry, everything is brand spanking new on this engine. All the gaskets, everything is new. The engine bay is super clean. Everything looks pretty much perfect. I replaced the booster, of course, the engine, all the gaskets on this engine, everything, like every new gasket. Let's try it once again. It passed just a few minutes, but maybe it's enough to start the car. Let's see. Yes. Whoa. Okay, we have oil pressure. Perfect. We have to buy some gas. This is the first time when you buy gas. Perfect. No lights on the dash except for the gas indicator. Wipers work. Okie dokie. Let's start the heater on. 21.5, it's enough. Let's drive. Lights. First drive is to the gas station, but give me a second to put the 4 Series. See that in the corner in there? Put the 4 Series in the front yard, and we are off. Off we go. Let's hope the battery is going to charge till the gas station. Whoops. Because I hope I won't be stuck in there and I won't be able to start the car. Nice. Finally, with the car on the road, with a new steering wheel. It's amazing. I think I'm going to replace the steering wheel on my 4 Series because the leather on the steering wheel, it's like crap. The Alcantara steering wheel is not for a daily car, that's for sure. For now, I notice already something on the car. The exhaust is too loud. It's way too loud. Something is not tight, or I've missed something, not really sure, but we are going to check that. And other than that, nothing. The temperature is rising, it's normal. Let's go on the main road where we can accelerate a little bit. Woohoo! The 3 Series is on the street. I cannot use to this steering wheel, it's amazing for sure, that's for sure. Let's test now the cruise control, because I've installed the cruise control and I didn't test it on the road. I tested just on the garage and I noticed that it's going to start, but now we can test it on the road. With a full tank, not full tank of gas, almost full tank of gas, we have enough gas. We can follow the temperature, but for now everything is fine because everything is new, like thermostat, water pump, all the gaskets and everything. Let's go on the main road to test the cruise control, like I've said. First things first. On the main road, let's see, let's start the cruise control. We have the indicator in there. Let's go on the straight line in here. And now let's see. He's holding, and I was interrupted by a phone call. Anyway, the car is in the garage. Now the car is registered. The car drives and runs perfect. No problem whatsoever, or no obvious problems. I've noticed a few things, like the exhaust is a little bit too loud. I'm going to check that for sure. I've noticed that the shocks on the car are a little bit soft. Maybe we are going to replace those, but the car is registered because I'm going to drive it this winter, and in the next episode we are going to start working on the 4 Series. The car has almost 100,000 kilometers and the warranty is almost gone, and we are going to start by fixing the check engine light. We are going to see what's wrong and after that to fix the check engine light, and after that we are going to start doing some mods. This is the first time when I'm going to modify the car because I wanted to wait this milestone 100,000 kilometers because of the warranty. Now we are going to start, like I said, modify the car, and I'm going to show you in the next few episodes what we are going to do. So join me for the next episode if you want to see more progress on this one. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.